The National Bureau of Investigation says at least 7 of the top 15 contractors for the government flood control project share the same officials. In a press conference on Wednesday, September 17, NBI Director Jaime Santiago says the agency's investigation into alleged corruption in government flood control projects is already underway. This includes projects personally inspected by President Bongbong Marcos. Santiago notes that the interlocking directors in 7 to 8 firms raises suspicions of bid rigging.
We have already coordinated with the Securities and Exchange Commission, checking the board of directors of all the 15 contractors na binanggit ng ating Pangulo. So, eto na naman, hindi ko pa masasabi sa inyo na in detail, but then initially, we found that some of these contractors, at least 7 of them or 8 of them have interlocking directors. ABCDE contractors have the same sets of officers. So, talagang nakakakita kami ng rigging ng bidding process.
But Santiago declines to identify the contractors, citing further investigation. Santiago says that collated information will be turned over to the Department of Justice for case build-up, focusing on flood control projects in Bulacan and Mindoro.
Positive ang aming trabaho for the people, positive for the people ng ating mamamayan na galit na sa corruption. No, may nakita na kami ng mga meron tayong magandang kaso against yung personalities involved. DPH officer, DPWH officer, and contractors.
Aside from being part of Marcos's Independent Commission for Infrastructure, Santiago announces that Justice Secretary Boying Remulla formed a separate task force to probe into infrastructure irregularities. Santiago says the Public Works, Corruption and Bid Rigging Task Force includes prosecutors, certified public accountants, engineers, and NBI agents.